Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable automatic video pop out in Opera GX browser. In case you use Opera GX browser, while watching a video, you open a new tab and you notice that video is floating on the top of the screen. Even if you minimize the Opera GX browser and you notice that video is still available in a small window on your PC, then you can disable this one behavior through two methods. And in case it does not automatically pops out video, then also you can enable this one feature. For this, first method is through this one pop-up window. Just hover mouse over pop-up video and click on this one settings gear icon. Here you will find the option automatically pop out video. Just toggle off to disable this one automatic pop out video, and in case you want to enable this one toggle switch that says automatically pop out video. Next one method is through Opera browser settings. For that, open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon in the left sidebar and then click on this one settings option. In the Opera GX settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced option. Now again scroll down and find the video pop out section. This one video pop out section. Here you will find this one option enable video pop out, and below that you will find a toggle switch automatically pop out videos when possible. You can turn on or turn off this one toggle switch to enable or disable this one automatically pop out videos feature in Opera GX browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.